Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is a very bullish day. Bitcoin, literally, as I'm saying this, 71,000 US dollars, which is nuts. It is incredible. I did mention this on my video last night in anticipation for this election coming up. We could see Bitcoin go freaking parabolic, which again is happening. We're not that far away, by the way, to this US election as well. So it's going to be fascinating to see what happens with the crypto prices. The stock market's pumping. Cryptocurrencies are pumping right now. I mean, Bitcoin's up 4.7% in the last 24 hours. That is insane. Really, really nice to see that as well. We do have quite a bit to go through in terms of the news. We do have, again, Bitcoin updates as well. Ripple and XRP news, that is a freaking given on my channel. Trump momentum is too big to rig. The Bitcoin candidate will win. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. Again, US election is fueling this cryptocurrency pump. Solana as well is doing incredibly nicely. You know, whales are buying this up really big. As you can see, $35 million worth. Very, very nice to see that. Going to go over my 3 commas trading bots again. I've got a few of those set up, and I did share them in the Patreon as well, the Wall Street Bull University. Go sign up to that. Earn Curve, my investing application as well. We're going to get into some updates. There is a lot happening, guys. Let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto and investing. So please be careful. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Bitcoin is freaking pumping today like unbelievable. It's freaking awesome. Unbelievable to see this, guys. I mean, it's bound to happen. This election is going to... I can't even explain to you how crazy Bitcoin's going to go. BlackRock is buying up a lot of it. The volume is significant. I mean, this is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, in my opinion. Again, it's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. Don't sleep on it, okay? I'm going to have my sip of espresso. Yes, I'm bringing these back. Getting that caffeine but up. Let's go to the community tab, guys. We've got the total spot Bitcoin ETF volume has reached $2.1 billion. That is insane. Unbelievable to see that. We do have Solana flipping PayPal in market cap, which is nice as well. It's always good to see a cryptocurrency do that. And yes, 71K. It's currently trading at $71,100 at the time of recording, and that's 5 p.m. here on the 29th of October, which is crazy. Top altcoins in my portfolio, we have Ravain, Kin, Doge, Sui. Nice. Now, again, I did set up some new bots on Doge and Sui today, and Bitcoin, of course, given the market, you know, the next 8 days could send it parabolic, so we'll get into that as well. And again, there is now 210. This was 201 yesterday. For Earn Curve, there is now 210 people signed up to the wait list. So thank you very much. It is just growing so quickly, and there has been $3,910 in donations received. And again, I'm getting a few comments from people about that, and I just want to make this very clear that, you know, this is an investing application on Wall Street. There are significant costs to this, and again, I am going to obviously raise some seed capital for this. It is proper. As you can see here, I have my Bible. This is the Earn Curve Bible right here. It has all of the, all of the negotiations, the NDAs. I can't really disclose much more of that. I mean, there is a lot of stuff in here. But again, the application is being built, as you can see. Again, I'm finalizing the colors, schemes, and so forth, and changing that up. But as you can see, this is the user interface design. I've showed it many times. That is happening at the moment. It's taking a while, but it's going to be a long process. Now, just quickly, I did launch, by the way, the pre-application on the app iOS store. So that is happening. It's currently in review stage with Apple. So that'll be going live, I'm hoping, by the end of this week. And the app's going to be pretty cool, guys. I've got, of course, you know, the sign-up page. You can donate to the app directly on the EarnCurve application on the iOS store. Google Play, though, for some reason, is requiring me to have an Android device. Now, I don't know, like, I don't have one, so I have to actually go buy an Android device to verify the Google Play Store account documents and stuff. It's wild. So that is all happening. The Apple iOS app should be up there very soon, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, that'll be available for download. I'll let everyone know about that. I do have the term sheets as well from the broker in New York. That will be the custodian. I mean, that's big money there, guys, as well. So for those of you who are leaving some pretty full-on comments about that, look, I appreciate the feedback, but it's genuinely to raise help and obviously raise capital because it does require a lot of it. Again, I've started the Founders Circle, which again will you know, entail some pretty cool benefits as well, because you guys are helping me out in the early stages of developing this app. And again, it's been a vision of mine for a very long time. So it's going to be freaking bullish, guys. It really is. Thank you very much to those of you who have signed up to the waitlist as well. And that have joined the Founder Circle, I should say. We've got Brant, Nicholas, John L, Jackie W, Jason W, Craig O, Laura S, Peter E. What else we got here? Mark B, Ben B, Stephen D again. Pretty incredible stuff there, guys. Honestly, it's incredible. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Again, this is going to be fully licensed. This requires some pretty serious licenses around the world, both in Australia, you know, the United States, Canada, UAE. It's going to be in the Asia Pacific region, in Europe, and of course in the UK, worldwide. So these licenses are not cheap. Right, go look up the cost of an AFSL license. I believe it's around about $200,000 Australian alone for the AFSL license, and it's pretty incredible. But you know, I guess all the insurances behind this, full FDIC insurance up to, I think it's $500,000 US. So I mean, this is being done properly. And again, I want this to be an application for everyone, because I'm simplifying investing for everybody, all right? To obviously get that passive income in from Wall Street and invest in cryptocurrencies, stocks, all of it. So it's all going on this application, EarnCurve. And if you haven't joined the waitlist, go join up, all right? Now, moving on, let's go to CoinMarketCap, because this market is going freaking wild at the moment. We've got a total volume of $99 billion, so it is increasing. It's up 106%. That is wild. Total market cap's $2.4 trillion. And Bitcoin's currently trading at 71,147. So it is hovering around that 1,200, 300 it peaked up today as well. So it's insane. Ethereum's at 2,621. We have Solana at $180. XRP's at 52 cents. Doge is at 16 cents, up 15%. You can clearly tell that's Elon Musk there, right? That's insane. We've got Sui at $1.84. It's up 9% today. XLM's 9 cents, still undervalued. Immutable X $1.37. Hedera as well, 4 cents. Unbelievable World, $2.08. Banking coins, guys, banking coins. Now, the top gainers in my portfolio, I do share this all the time in the Patreon, by the way, the Wall Street Bull University, is Ravane. It's 107%, which is ridiculous. Kin, Doge, Superfarm, Sui, Shiba Inu, I do hold that, and of course Rose. Shiba Inu and Doge are like my only meme coins in the portfolio, alright? Just making that clear, so I get a lot of questions about that. Moving on, again, this is the EarnCurve website, and again, the application, the pre-application, so you guys can download that, and I can ping you guys notifications all the time. It's friggin' awesome. You can go join up to EarnCurve Invest. The notification for the first application will be sent out very soon once iOS approves that. So it has been submitted, which is awesome. Stay tuned for that. Again, you can go join the waitlist here. First name, last name, email, phone number, wherever you are in the world. And of course, you can donate to help assist. And again, you're going to be joining the Founder Circle, and you guys will be getting some pretty incredible benefits to that as well, because you're here early. This is what's awesome, all right? And I do mean that. Anyway, go join up. Now, again, I do have the Wall Street Bull University. That will be linked in the first application as well that you will download, so you can access that as well, which is pretty cool. Now, moving on. We'll get to the news, which is insane, but Bitcoin is above 71K at the moment. Wild crypto market pump sees $175 million in shorts liquidated, which is, that's painful. Bitcoin surpassed 71K in the Asian trading hours with 5% increase in over 24 hours, leading significant trading volume in the liquidation of over $143 million in short positions. The rally was partly driven by the whale activity on Binance and substantial inflows into ETFs, which saw a net increase of 47,000 Bitcoin in the last 2 weeks. Wow. I mean, I'm just saying, like, Bitcoin a few weeks ago was 62K. I mean, it's jumped up it's just insane. The surge is influenced by the upcoming US elections, with the traders betting on a bullish market conditions regardless of the outcome. I personally, and again, this is my opinion, it will be insanely bullish if Trump wins the election, but we'll see what happens with that because we don't know. Now, again, XRP is set for a surge. Analysts, again, asserts the explosion is incoming. What do you think about this? I'm so bullish on XRP, it's ridiculous, because I know the utility of it and the real-world use cases. That's the thing, right? Let me read this. But on Friday, XRP briefly traded again at 49 cents amid the broader market downturn. However, its price rebounded to 51 cents on Saturday, which is nice. Only to, again, below the 50 cent mark. It's still undervalued. Now, synonymous crypto analyst Random Crypto Pal shared XRP's monthly chart right here to argue that the explosion is imminent. And the chart illustrates that XRP recently broke out from a 7-year trend line, which numerous analysts have argued would be the defining moment for XRP. The chart suggests that the breakout occurred in August, the month XRP last traded at 40 cents region, before the recent occurrence. Notably, XRP hit a low of 43 cents, which again, I'm still dollar cost averaging every single week. In August, before packing again 64 cents later that month. In September, XRP went to reach a high of 66 cents. And again, while the proponents expect XRP to continue the upward move and establish a higher high in by October, it instead dipped to a 2-month low over the weekend. However, Random Crypto Power categorized the dip as a backtest of the breakout right here as well. So, what do you think about that? There's a lot of analysts predicting, but long-term, guys, you have to think long-term. And again, once this freaking lawsuit is over, and I should say once Gary Gensler's removed from office, things are going to get pretty wild in this space. They will. Donald Trump, momentum is too big to rig. The Bitcoin candidate will win. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. I've got my opinion about it. I'm incredibly bullish, if he does, because again, things are going to get pretty insane. I mean, seriously, if Gary Gensler gets removed from office, look out. Anyway, Solana whales scoop up $35 million in Solana. That is juicy. Whales purchased 202,400 Solana worth $35 million from centralized exchanges, including Binance and Kraken. I'm still bullish on Solana. I did dollar cost average into that when it collapsed with FTX at 22 Australian dollars, right at that dip. I always had it in the back of my mind to buy it, and I did, and it's been the best decision ever. So you got to get in early. So 22 Australian dollars. Let me know what you got in at. I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. Now, moving on, let's go to cryptometer.io. And of course, let's have a look here. Net inflow, Doge, Ethereum. We have Solana right here as well. We have Tau. Ondo is a good one to trade on the bots, Sui and Dot. Now, just quickly on the trading bots. Again, I did share these in the Wall Street Bull University. You can go copy them if you wish. I've got Solana there, Dogecoin. I've got my 63 pair multi-bot as well, and Sui. So I've picked some pretty good coins. Let's have a look here. I'm not sure where my Bitcoin one is. I'm not sure where that's gone, but there is a Bitcoin one there. I'll have to have a look at that. But anyway, going to gate.io, there's a lot of positions open up. I've got 42 positions opened up, as you can see right here. Trading all my favorite cryptocurrencies. There's a lot of them. And if I go to the position history, you can see the profits that, basically it makes. Sorry, it's been a long day. 64 cents. It takes around 1.5% profits. And as you can see right here, it's been generating profits all day. This is what it does. It's pretty incredible. There's so many of them, it's just crashed the app. But anyway, go check it out in the Wall Street Bull University. Let's get to X, then we'll end up on this, guys. There's so many incredible people as well. I've just cracked over 7,000 followers on X. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate that. Now, again, this is wild to say this, but the US government actually holds a lot of Bitcoin right here. Look at this. And cryptos, I should say. Look at this. That is a lot. They hold $14.5 billion in Bitcoin, $152 million in Ethereum. USDT, they hold $122 million. This is wild. They do have AUSDC. They've got USDC and Binance Smart Chain. They've got $24 million. They hold $14.5 billion in Bitcoin. And again, most of that's probably seized anyway, but that is insane. I'm not going to play this video because it will get me banned. It's actually Guns N' Roses' November Rain, which again is a freaking awesome song. Thank you to those 7,000 plus people on X. You guys rock. Bank of Japan, thank you, Crypto Geek. SBI launches official XRP lending program. Now, I remember years ago when I mentioned this that you would probably end up, being able to lend your XRP out. This is friggin' awesome right here. Look at this. That's awesome. That is awesome. You can lend out your cryptocurrencies, which is nice. Be careful, though. Be careful with that. Anyway, this is wild. Van Eck projects a $3 million Bitcoin price. This is no BS on CNBC. Listen to this.
Used in global trade and health.
Let me replay this.
Very soon. We have a model that assumes that by 2050, this is very long term, that Bitcoin becomes a reserve asset that's used in global trade and held by global central banks at a very modest 2% weight. And in that model, we arrive at a $3 million price target for Bitcoin. Now, that sounds, extreme, but that's a 16% compound annual growth rate for a couple decades. That's not really that extreme. So into the millions over the medium term is a high conviction call.
Wow. Coinbase, Brian Armstrong right here, CEO, says that the next SEC chair should withdraw all frivolous cases and issue an apology to the American people. Could you imagine if that were to happen? We have BRICS nations as well. Russian Sovereign Wealth Fund is investing in Bitcoin mining infrastructure. iPhone users can now send Bitcoin directly from a lock screen, which is insane. Michael Saylor, have a listen to this.
Bitcoin. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin. Then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin. Then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business, it's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. So what I would say is use all your time to acquire Bitcoin, finance entities and weaker currencies to buy Bitcoin, or educate yourself on why this makes sense if you're not sure, and then educate everybody around you. If you're working for a company that's got $100 million in the treasury, you ought to convince the CEO and the board of directors to convert the treasury to Bitcoin. That's the most...
I reckon he's right, but, not financial advice, obviously. Let's have a look here. We've gone through the Van Eck stuff. BlackRock spot ETF has reached $2 billion in 24-hour volume. That is insane. Now, again, today's top news articles. Solana flips PayPal. Bitcoin momentarily breaks 70K, which is still above that. Coinbase to sponsor Golden State Warriors. Spot Bitcoin ETF volume surpasses $3 billion. And Bhutan close to $1 billion in Bitcoin holdings, which is insane. Wow. That's insane. What a great news day. Unbelievable. MetaPlanet buys another 1.6 million yen, a billion worth of Bitcoin as well. 1.6 billion yen, I believe that is. That's crazy. And yeah, this election's going to send prices ridiculous. And now look at this. MicroStrategy is pumping as well. They're only, again, they're about to buy $900 million worth of Bitcoin soon. That's insane. It just doesn't make things real, does it? But anyway, guys, go join Earn Curve Invest. Again, the application, well, the pre-application should be up soon, so I'll keep everybody updated. But anyway, what a beautiful day in crypto, all right? Take care of yourselves. Stay bullish. I'm off to have another espresso, and I'll speak to everybody in the community tab on socials and, of course, in the Wall Street Bull University, and soon the Earn Curve application, all right? Peace out, guys. Take care. Bye.